chapter you can completed, term 1 completed. Okay, so very easy chapter. So here also linear programming, two methods are there. One is bounded, one is unbounded. Bounded means when you can draw the graph, inside will come, that is bounded. When you can draw the graph unbounded means outside will come, that is unbounded. So here only one method is there, Nana, inbounded. Unbounded deleted, not there. Okay, unbounded problems are deleted. So that I will write on the board first what is the deleted problems. Okay, no need practice for that and all. After we will start concept and examples and everything I will teach. See here, deleted problems, everyone you can copy, Nana. No need for practicing these problems. Example 4. Example 4. If you see graph in outside arrow mark is there, no need practicing that one. Okay, example 4 and example 5 also deleted. Next exercise 12.1, Nana. Exercise 12.1, 4 and 6, 4 and 6, 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Okay, these problems are deleted. First exercise. Exercise 12.1, 4, 6, 9, 10. These problems unbounded. So deleted. Example 4 and example 5. Next, example 6 also deleted. Example 6 also deleted. Next, exercise 12.2, 12.2. First one deleted. Next, 9th one and 10th one deleted. 9th one and 10th one deleted. Okay, this is the yours deleted problems. And the miscellations, Nana. Miscellations. So you want to page numbers also? If you want to page numbers also means once you can write better. Okay. So page number, Nana. Here example for 512. Page number 512. So exercise 514. Page number 514. Okay. Example 6 also deleted. Next, miscellations. Miscellations. Page number 525. Second problem. Third problem. And 6th one and 7th one also deleted. Miscellations, exercise, second problem, third problem, 6th problem, 7th problem also deleted. Actually, this linear programming weightage 5 marks. They will give last year your seniors on graph 5 marks, but this year deleted. So MCQs only. So MCQs means again very easy and small chapter, 2 exercise. Also some problems are deleted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 problems are deleted out of 40. Means 20 problems only is there. That also easy. Maximum values and minimum values and corner points. Depending on these three, only they will ask MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay. So once you can copy, Nana, I will start concept. You have textbook means direct with pencil, you can tick like this, deleted. Anyone doubt, Amma?
No, sir.
Okay.
Muted.
Okay. In a revision time, Nana, I will give remaining chapters also. Relations and functions, universe of trigonometry, like that. Clarity I will give. Okay. What is the exercise are deleted? What is the miscellations? Everything I will give. Okay.
Sir, marked, sir.
Okay. Linear programming, Nana. Already you were studying last year. Linear inequalities. Chapter in 11th standard graph you were drawing. Yes. So same concept, same. They will give equations. You have to draw the graph. You have to find out first one corner point. Corner point means x comma y values. Second one is maximum value and minimum value. They will ask. This is the for three concepts they will ask. One is you have to find out whatever the given graph. You have to first find out corner points. Second one, you have to find out the maximum value or minimum value. This is the concept for linear programming. One is direct, they will give equations. One is they will give word problems. You have to write in these equations. Okay, two methods are there. So see here, see for example, they will give z is equal 4x plus y. So one equation they will give x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90, less than or equal to 90, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. See, in these values, here, first you have to find out corner points. After you can find out, they will ask maximum value or minimum value. Okay, they will ask solve the following linear programming problems graphically maximize. Okay, so z is equal to so here already you know less than, already you know greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is the symbol. Someone will confusions. Less than means what, Anna? LE spelling S. So that's why in this L letter, if you cross 30 degrees means what? Less than only. Greater than means, see, in this greater than means you are writing capital G. When you cut the G in of greater than. Okay, so now here less than and greater than symbols. After less than and less than are equal, greater than and greater than are equal. So less than means what you can write now. For example, here 2 is there, less than 5. Less than or equal to 5 means what? Here itself 5 also will come. Yes. So that is the meaning of less than and less than or equal to. So now here in this equation, see x plus y is equal to 50. So here 2 points are there. One point x is equal to 0 means what you can write, sir? y is equal to 50. Otherwise 0 comma 50, 1 point. Otherwise one more point, he can write x is equal to 50, y is equal to 0, means 50 comma 0. Same like that, he can write 3x plus y is equal to 90. Here x is equal to 30. Why sir? 30 into 3, 90. So y is equal to 0. Otherwise you can write here 30 comma 0. Otherwise you can write here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 90. So 0 comma 90. You have to find out first equations on the values. So now here you draw the table. One is corner points. One is corner points, COR, corner points. One is corresponding values of Z equation. So in these corner points, if you take this equation x less than or equal to 0, if you write greater than or equal to 0, satisfied now? If you satisfied means here corner points what are 0 comma 0. So Z value what are here? Z is equal to 4 into 0, 0 plus 0 means Z value 0. One equation completed. Next, second equation. What you can write are second equation? 0 comma 50. 0 comma 50. X value 0, y value 50 means Z value 50. Next 50 comma 0. 50 comma 0 means here what you can write are x value 50. 50 into 4, 200 plus 0. So Z value 200. These 2 points completed. Next 30 comma 0. 30 comma 0. In Z value 30 into 4, 120 plus 0. Z is equal to 120. Next 0 comma 90. Maximum 3 points enough nana. So Z is equal 4 into 0, 0 plus 90, 90. Here they will ask maximum value. They will ask maximum value. See, maximum means what's our highest value. So here maximum value, highest what Anna? So this is the maximum value. Minimum value means 0. So they will ask what is the maximum value of corner points, means 50 comma 0. What is the minimum value of corner points? So 0 comma 0. What is the maximum of value? Maximum of value means 200. What is the minimum value of means 0. Okay. So once you can copy, how to you can draw the graph, I will say. Graph papers and all no need munana. So MCQs only no. So you can draw the class work only, rough work you can draw. Okay. Completed amma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can take x-axis and y-axis, x dash, y dash, 0. In this corner point, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 you can take like that. Here also same, whatever the your here taking values 70, 80, 90 means y axis also you can take same only. Okay. So here what you can write, sir? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, okay. In this point 0, 0 means what you can write, sir, here in these corner points. So next 0, 50 means x-axis 0, y-axis 50. Here itself only now. So you can draw the here. Next 50, 0 here 50, 0. You can join this in this one equation. One is 0, 0, one equation. One is 0, 50, 1 equation. Next one is 30 x-axis 30, y-axis 90. Here also 1 point. So here 20, 30. So like this will come. So here 20, 30. So now bounded means inside only, none. Unbounded means that side. So that unbounded problems not there. Okay. So this is the graph for values, maximum values and minimum values. Okay. So once you can copy, rough work you can copy. No need for graph papers.
Completed, sir.
Okay. See, Amma, in exercise 12.1, solve the following linear programming problems. Graphically maximize z is equal 3x plus 4y so here x plus y less than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. First equation already here you know 0 comma 0, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So 0 comma 0 you know. So in this equation x plus y is equal to 4 you can write. Okay, less than or equal to means equal 4. So you can write x is equal to 0 in this equation means what you can write, sir? Y is equal to 4. So in this point 0 comma 4. Next case 2. What you can write, sir, here? X is equal to 4 means y is equal to 0. So 4 comma 0 in the second point. So corner point 0 comma 0. So now here corner points and value of z already you know. You can draw the table. So corner points what, sir? 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 means z is equal to what you can write, sir, here? 3x plus 4y. So here what is the z value, sir? 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 0 means 0. Next what is the point, sir? 0 comma 4. Z value what, sir? 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 4, 16. Next 4 comma 0, 4 into 3, 12. Okay, 0 means 0. So this is the corner points. Here what is the maximum value, sir? Z is equal to 16 is the maximum value. Okay. So one second copy now.
Complete, sir.
Okay. This is x-axis, 0, y-axis. So you can take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because here 0, 0, 4 maximum 4 units only, no? So 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeters you can take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now here 0, 0. Next 0, 4 means x-axis 0, y-axis 4. Next 4, 0, x-axis 4, 0. Can draw this. So now here, if you want, you can take points also. A means 0, 4. B means 4, 0. Otherwise, you can normally also can draw. No problem. So bounded. You can draw that. Anything, Nana? 1 second, copy.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Second problem, minimize z is equal minus 3x plus 4y. So one equation, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. One equation, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. One is x greater than 0. One is y greater than 0. Okay. So here also first equation, One point is 0, 0. Okay. So in this equation, x plus 2y is equal to 8. For example, x is equal to 0 means what you can write, Nana? Y is equal to 2 into 1 ja 2 4 ja. So y is equal to 4. 0, 4. One value, y value 0 means y is equal to 0 means x value 8. 2 into 0, x is equal to 8. So 8, 0. 0, 4, 8, 0 in this first equation. Next, second equation, what's that? 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. If x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 6. So 0, 6. For example, y value 0 means x value 3x is equal to 12, 4. So 4, 0. Now corner points, value of z minus 3x plus 4y. First point what, Nana? 0, 0. Z value also 0 only. 0, 4. Here what you can write, Nana? So z value 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 4, 16. 8, 0. So z value 8 into 3, 24 plus 0. 0, 6 means z is equal to minus 18. Sorry, 0. 4 into 20, 4. Next, 4, 0 means z is equal to minus 12. So here maximum value 24. Okay. On second copy.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Madam. So here also same Nana graph. X-axis, Y-axis up to 8 units only, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First point Nana 0, 0. Next 0, 4 means x-axis 0, y-axis 4. 8, 0. X-axis 8. Okay. Next 0, 6 here. 4, 0 here. Okay. So now in these corner points, you have to write on the values. Okay. Anything doubt, Amma? You is asking what, Nana? Minimize. Minimize means small value. Here, what is the small value, Nana? Minus 24. Minimize. Maximize means 24. Okay. So which is the maximum means maximum we can write. What is the minimum means minimum value we can write. Highest value. Okay, Nana. Remaining third one, you can do homework. Okay, time up.